made this birdhouse out of recycled coffee cans. If you want to know how to make it, super simple, and it helps a little bird. It keeps plastic out of the landfills. So give it a try. You can dress it up more than we did here and make it look more camouflage if you want. But anyway, give it a try. See ya.
Paint. Cover that label. Cover. I think we should do 2 layers.
Yeah?
Yeah, 2 layers.
2 layers of white to cover the label?
Yeah, because I can still kind of see the label.
All right. Whatever you think you need to do, Miss Artiste. So you're going to cover the whole outside with white, and then you're going to decorate on top of the white?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And we already cut a hole in the lid. That's where the bird's going to come in and out. We got to put a little perch on the outside, but we'll do that after we decorate.
Oops, I got some on my thumb by accident.
It's okay.
And on my leg.
It's okay. It washes off.
Why do you say it doesn't? But what do you say try not to get it on yourself?
Your clothes. It won't come off your clothes very easily.
Oh, now I get it. Okay. Do I cover the little opening in there too? Right
Yeah,
there?
well, whatever you want to do.
'Cause I want to cover the whole thing.
Okay.
So now we're going to do another layer, so.
Another layer, because we still can see a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's do it.
So we could let this dry and then do it, but we're not going to wait. We're just going to move right on to the next coat.
Yep. Oh, it's moving.
It's okay. Let's finish this up. Okay, you're finishing it up.
Yeah. Perfect.
And then
All done.
once this is drying, let's move on to the lid. We can do whatever we want to the lid. Let's try some cool paint techniques with ferns. Let's go find a cool fern.
I'm going to go do it.
Okay.
There.
Okay, take it off and see what it looks like. Oh, those are coming out cool. You can still use that. You can even take this and like do this. And then peel it off. That's cool. You can use it like a stamp.
You can even use more.
Even your little one, you can do that. That's a willow tree feather or leaf, right? Keep going. Do the outside of it. You're trying to do it like a stencil. Don't worry about the leaf itself. You're working around the outside of it. Okay, now pull it off.
I didn't do the stem.
It's okay. Cool.
I'm gonna be right
Now-
back.
Okay, now we can do more stamping on the outside of this.
Then can I do
Okay,
mine?
here, do it. Yeah, take that off and see how it came out. Ooh, yeah, do that little one. See, put more paint on that little one.
I was gonna do this one.
Oh, okay. All right,
Strawberry
go for it.
leaf.
It's a strawberry.
Strawberry leaf thing.
Oh, okay. Beautiful.
Now it didn't really make a mark.
That's okay. All right,
Just
let's
looks
do
like a
more
splotch
ferning
of
on here. Let's paint this fern and try this one out. Okay, so I just painted the outside of this. Now we're gonna stick it on the way we want to.
Let's get a brush.
Okay, ready? And wow, that's beautiful.
Oh my goodness,
So
yellow, yellow water everywhere.
Yeah. Let's do some different colors on here too and do it again. Okay.
Oh, mine didn't even like turn out good, but still.
Looking for stamps?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Find a flower or something.
Find a flower, sure.
Whoa, that looks so cool. It's coming out super cool so far. Cool. Flower out. Okay, Gabby, push on all the petals. Okay, then pull it off. Cool, that came out really cool. Here,
Here we go. Do it again.
let's do it again. Let's find another spot. Here, look. Here, this
I'm
one.
gonna be like that.
Ooh.
Petals. Yeah, we have to wrap this up, right?
Yeah, but you know what? We did a really good job. Let's let this dry. And then we can finish this up another time.